Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this LED tube light made by JESLED. Now this is a $70 tube light that you guys can find on Amazon. Links will be down below this video if you want to go pick this thing up. So here it is. Here's the box. As you can see, it says JESLED, just focus, just lit. T8 LED tube light right there. And then over here, if you're wondering why the box is messed up, that's because there's a shipping label there. Anyways, let's go ahead and cut this tape open and go ahead and see what's included. All right, so included in the box is 6 of these LED tubes. As you can see, there's one right here. I'll give you guys a close-up in just a minute. Also included is a whole bunch of wires, switches, extensions, which is really cool. And then we also have a pack full of mounting hardware. It looks like some different ends here for the extensions, as you can see right there. So there it is, a bunch of different like drywall anchors and stuff. Here is a close-up of the LED tube. As you can see, the end right there. And then here is the LED tube itself. Pretty long. Feels decent. It's pretty lightweight, I gotta say. And then over here is it's a label right here. You can see it's 4 foot long, 36 watt input, color, etc. So there it is. Pretty cool. So I guess what I'll do now is go and set these up and give them a try. All right, so here I have one of the LED strip lights set up. Obviously, I'm going to be actually installing these on the roof here of our garage. I have the lights off just to show how bright this thing is. It's actually pretty darn bright, and I'm planning on having one right there, one right here, and then also probably one right here, and then one over off to the side here. This is mainly where we work on our cars, so we really need some better lighting here. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Pretty bright, pretty happy with it so far. All right, so here we have 2 of the LED lights right here. Now we are gonna put up either a total of 4 or 5, but here we just have 2 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these on just to show you guys how well they work. And there you go. I'll go and point you guys down here. That's with them off, and that's with them on. Pretty big difference. I'm really liking these things so far, and it's only gonna get brighter in here when we add the more LED lights over here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Now for these wires dangling down, we're not gonna leave them like this. We are going to make them look as professional as possible. They're not gonna be hanging down here because they might get caught in the garage door. And this is mainly where we work on our cars, so obviously lighting here is pretty important. So I think these will really improve this garage quite a bit in terms of lighting. So there it is, pretty cool. And I'll just show you guys here. We have it going from the plug here to the switch, provided switch. And then we have it going to this LED, and then we have the extension going from this LED to that one, and right there. All right, so here are the LEDs all set up. Now I still have to mess with the wiring there. I have to get that all tucked up and not dangling down, but hey, this is what it looks like. And these are the only lights on in the entire garage, and they're pretty bright. As you can see here, I mean, they're lighting up a good amount of the floor here. So, so far I am really happy with these. And with all the other lights in here, the fluorescent ones on, this is quite a bright garage. So I'm really happy so far. All right, so this is no lights on. Let's go and flick the 3 on. And yeah, there you go. Very bright, very impressive. Now with all the lights on, as you can see, it is very bright in here. Absolutely awesome. So there you go. This is gonna be a lot better to work in now since I actually have some good lighting. I mean, the fluorescent lights were pretty decent, but these LEDs, I mean, they just make everything so much brighter, and they have that kind of LED color to them. The fluorescents are kind of yellow. These are white, and it really stands out. It really makes the garage look a whole lot better. So I really like this so far. All right, so here is the setup. As you can tell, we have them all wrapped up here. What we used was just some basically zip ties, and I don't know what these are called, but Basically, they have adhesive on the back, and you can put a zip tie on them. But anyways, there we go. It's just stuff that we had laying around, so we went ahead and used it. So there you go, pretty cool, very bright. Very happy with this so far. All right, so overall, what do I think of these LED lights? Well, I'm actually, like I said a couple of times, I'm actually really happy with them. They're pretty bright, and they really help out just the lighting situation in this garage. Again, there is always a decent amount of light, but I've always wanted more light in here, and well, now we finally have it. So I'm really happy with these things, and if you're wanting to go in and get into LED lighting for cheap for a garage or really wherever, this would definitely be the way to go. So I really recommend these LED lights. They seem great so far. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.